Qingdao Ruijie Plastic Machinery Company Limited, located in Qingdao City, Shandong Province, is a professional manufacturer in plastic extrusion machines, focuses on plastic machinery manufacture for more than 22 years. Ruijie has more than 13,000 square meters workshop and 56 workers. Ruijie has professional technical team, good service sales team, and high-level after-sales service team, who can provide customers with professional turnkey projects. Ruijie main products are SPC flooring machine, LVT flooring machine, PVC, WPC foaming board production machine, PVC panel wall production line, PVC WPC profile machine, PP, PE, PET, PLA, sheet machine, high-speed corrugated pipe machine, PVC, PP, PE pipe production line, recycling production line, and other auxiliary machines, etc. Ruijie SPC flooring production line has number of patent certificates, is the Chinese flooring standard drafter, and has received many honors from the government. Qingdao Ruijie is a high-tech enterprise with advanced production technology, high degree of automation. Machines are exported to America, Russia, Switzerland, Germany, Africa, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Indonesia, India, and other countries and regions, especially has offices and after-service team in Vietnam and India, which can service customers well. Qingdao Ruijie strives for excellent high-quality machines, devotes to help customers create profits, win-win cooperation for the purpose. Looking forward to your visit and cooperation with you.